today we have the getaway truck. It's a Technic. Also, if you've seen the Lego Bash. So we're going to show you around. You see the top? This is another place where you can put the characters in. And like Bash, there's a sideway. You see its motor back here? This is how the thing, this one's a pull back just like Bash. That's how when it pulls back, it can go. And also, there's a motor right here. It's connected to the wheels. That's how when it pulls back it goes forward. See the wheels move? Just like Bash. But this one doesn't have like the front part. This is a part of the police pursuit. So you can buy the other police pursuit set. We might be doing that later. We might be doing a video on that later. We don't know when. And so it's like you're chasing this car, and you can put them together, the getaway truck and the police pursuit, and you can get, I don't know what it's called, but it's a cool truck. You can see it in the back of the instructions. Now we're going to show you the actual instructions. I'm just going to show you this. I'm not sure, okay, doing that, because I can't hold it up. You just lay it flat and I can hold it up. No, it's better to do this. There's a lot of pages in this one too, just like Bash. If you guys seen Bash, comment down below if you've seen Bash. It was a good video. I'm gonna tell you another thing. You see these two things? These are they're bumper stickers. So one of them is, and the other one is a license plate. Well, one of them is a bumper sticker. One of them is a bumper sticker. This one, and the other one is a license plate. You have to have a license plate, or you can't drive. And these are some more details you could look at the Bash. You see on the top where the motor is, there's fire, and on the side of the doors. You see this part? It's the bumper. That's why this is called a bumper sticker. And then that's the end. And it shows this again. And also, if you guys want to win free Lego sets or something, go to the back and go to lego.com feedback. You can enter and win to a Lego lottery draw. And now we're gonna show you this move. I'm gonna take the camera. No, you don't need to just crash into the camera. So you see? Get this. He just lets go. He's not even touching it. It doesn't move that well on carpet. Okay, unless you pull it back very far. And what's this? So that was the Lego Technic getaway truck. Please comment down below if you have this. And like and subscribe. Yeah. Bye. Bye.